Hello everyone. So today we will study about the Pondicherry, how the French acquired it. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So in 1673, Sher Khan Lodi, governor of Volikondapuram under Bijapur Sultan, granted Francois Martin, director of Masulipatam factory site for a settlement. So who gave the site for settlement? Sher Khan Lodi. Pondicherry, founded in 1674 by Martin Lewis, Francois Martin, Mahe, Karaikal, Balasore and Kasim Bazar, few important trading center of French East India Company. Now, what were a setback for French? Dutch captured Pondicherry in 1693. Treaty of Ryswick, concluded in September 1697, restored Pondicherry to French. Dutch garrison held on to it for more than 2 years. Now, after War of Spanish Succession broke in Europe, they had to abandon their factories at Surat, Machilipatnam and Bantam in 18th century. So, after the Spanish Succession War, they had to abandon their factory at Surat, Machilipatnam and Bantam in 18th century. So then Francois Martin died on 31st December 1706. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch daily video for learning more information.